With highly visible anterior restorations, patient satisfaction depends on your ability to create convincingly natural aesthetics. Until now, achieving the right combination of shade, opacity, and translucency has required an extensive product inventory and painstaking, technique-sensitive process of building up multiple composite layers with precise layer thickness. Now, there's a much simpler approach made possible by Dentsply Sirona's Sphere-Tech filler technology. This video will guide you through a simplified Class 4 layering technique using Ceram.x Spectra ST Universal Cloud Shades paired with Ceram.x Spectra ST Effects Dentin and Enamel opacities for creating advanced aesthetics. Ceram.x Spectra ST Composite simplifies body shade selection with 5 universal cloud shades that cover the entire Vita range. The new Ceram.x Spectra ST Composite adds 2 opaque dentin shades for cases that require added opacity, plus 1 translucent enamel shade for incisal edge effects when needed. First, find the tooth's Vita shade on the recipe chart. Then select the corresponding universal cloud shade and opaque dentin shade to begin. After preparing the tooth, apply an appropriate adhesive following the manufacturer's instructions. Create a thin palatal or lingual shell approximately 1 millimeter thick, using the selected universal shade to provide a guide for achieving accurate restoration shape. Throughout the procedure, light cure after each increment is placed according to our curing table. Next, use a dentin shade to recreate the dentin core without fully extending the proximal and incisal edges. Leave at least 1 millimeter of depth at the vestibular surface for the universal shade. For patients that have a highly translucent incisal edge, leave space on the incisal third for the enamel shade, then light cure. If you are building a translucent incisal edge, apply the translucent enamel shade of Ceram.x Spectra ST Effects Composite to the incisal third of the facial area to match the translucency of the adjacent tooth's incisal edge. Then light cure. Complete your restoration using the universal shade for the vestibular surface. Light cure the final facial increment. Use carbide or diamond finishing burrs to shape and contour the restoration. Use enhanced finishers and enhanced pogo polishers to achieve a smooth, polished surface in a minimal number of steps. The restoration is now complete. Using this simplified layering approach for demanding anterior cases, you can create exceptionally natural aesthetics in a few steps with Ceram.x Spectra ST and Ceram.x Spectra ST Effects Composite. Save time, simplify the procedure, and deliver aesthetic results reliably. To learn more, ask your Dentsply Sirona representative for a demonstration and samples of Ceram.x Spectra ST Universal Composite and the new Ceram.x Spectra ST Effects Composite.